Hi everyone, my name is Waverly Leung and this is my app Pitstop. I created Pitstop as a result of COVID-19 and being stuck at home thinking about how much I want to travel and see the world. Thinking about my travels, I thought about all the trips that I've been on before, and I realized that a lot of my memories of my trips are associated with the places that I've been. As a result, I created Pitstop to be a travel journal, but instead of making journal entries per day, you make your reflections and memories on the places that you've been. Now let's get started. So this is the homepage for Pitstop, and I'm just going to scroll down a little bit just to show everything. We have a little description of what the app is and a few of the features that we have. Just scroll back up. Other than that, before a user can do anything, they have to either log in or sign up. But for the purposes of demonstration, I'm just going to log in. So I'm going to log in with my account. After you see the message, you will be brought to your first page, which will show you all of your trips. I'm going to now add a trip. We'll type in as the title, trip to Denver, and I'm just going to give a random date. This will be just a one-day trip. And I will have a description that says this is a demonstration for Pitstop. And once you create, a little card pops up and you can click on the card. After that, you'll see a map. We'll go back to the map in a bit, but I'll show you that you can also edit a trip. So let me change the title to Fun Times in Denver. And let's put a little emoji. Let's do a rainbow. And I'll just add a whole bunch of explanation points to description. It's been updated. Now let's add a place. So once you click add a place, you can add the name of the place. I'm choosing an actual place that exists in Denver. We'll say this is a cultural attraction, give the address, skip over the latitude and longitude for now, keep going to the area which is Denver, is in the United States. Something important to note is that you may not know the latitude and longitude of a place, so what's cool is if you're already there, you can just click use my location and it'll populate for you. Then the place will be added as a marker on the map and have a card that has the labels of what it is and if you'd revisit. Let's now add a reflection for the place and give it the same day. A 12 for the rating and say so much fun. Met so many nice people and saw so many cool things. Let's add this. But the rating must be between 0 to 10, so let's add a 10. Now we can also edit it. So let's take out this extra O and say ate a lot of yummy food in the area too. Let's update it. We can also edit the place and change the revisit to no. So let's go back to trips. Let me show you some more of the map functionality. So if we go choose another trip that's more built out, and the markers on here, let me click on one of them. You'll be brought down to see it, which a little pop-up that says what it is, and you can either click the X, or if we click on another one, you can also use the escape key on your keyboard. Now let me zoom out and show you all of the markers. So something really cool is that all of these markers and all of the cards on the bottom are the same. So if we filter and search, let's filter first by if you'd want to revisit, yes, and let's say that we don't want to revisit. And it's the same thing as what appears on top. So then if we filter back to yes again, it changes. If we filter by restaurant, it changes again. Then we see at the bottom only the restaurants that we want to revisit pop up. And if we go even further and just get one place, so let's type in Pi for Picasso. When you click on it, it's the exact same place. Now let me zoom back out. I'm also going to reset the search and filter. Okay, and let's click on one of these places. Another thing you can do is after you visit, sometimes you realize you have pictures you want to add. So let me add a picture now. Click Add Picture, and there it pops up. Something else really cool is if you go to your account, and if you try to edit it, but you put in the wrong password, it won't let you go to the Edit Account form. So let me put in the right password and show you the actual form. There we go. Here's the form. And if we go back to trips, if you haven't noticed, the quote on the picture always changes each time you go. So if we go click trips again, it changes. Other than that, if you scroll down, we can also delete a trip. So let's delete the one we just made. If you go back up, you can just log out. That's my app, Pitstop. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please reach out.